Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this Grinch outfit on Dress to Impress. So I just quickly put on a custom makeup. You don't need to. Also, this is the color of my skin tone. Hopefully I remember to link everything in the description box down below. So first I'll do the hair. So I like to use this one. And I'm just going to color it kind of the same as like the rest of my body here. And then here I'm going to get these nails or this one. Maybe the curved ones are a little bit better for the Grinch. And you're going to color it kind of again the same color as your body. That may be a little bit too light. I might go back to change it if she's done. Okay. And then you are going to go to the VIP. You don't need to, but this is just for the outfit. It doesn't have to be the exact same. So here I'm going to color it like red and white. I'm going to go back here. Maybe like add in a scarf. Okay, that doesn't look the best. Maybe this one, or maybe just like this necklace here. Doesn't have to be the same. And also use this one. Enable the fur and color everything red except for the fur, obviously. Okay. I'm just gonna change color to match it a little bit better, like that. And then for the shoes, I'm going to get this fur, I don't know, stocking, I don't know what it's called, for like leg warmers, that's what it's called probably. And I'm also going to use the like fur gloves here. And I'm going to color that the same color as the skin. Like that. And that's it. You can add in even more accessories if you'd like to. I'm going to just get like a present. Oh, I forgot to get the ears. Oops. Can I get the correct one? There we go. And just remove the other one. And then I'm gonna like get a present as well, because like, where is it? Oh, here it is. And that's how you can create the Grinch on Dress to Impress. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!